looks like I'm in the middle of a hurricane on an ocean coast right now, but this is what Toronto's Woodbine Beach looks like. The agitating factors today are these huge waves which erode the beach. So this warning is going to be around for at least the rest of the week. Today, I spoke to the experts about what we can expect this soggy spring.
Our rate of rise is pretty similar to what we saw in 2017, but we started off with the lower lake level in April. So that puts us in a slightly better position.
There's room to grow.
There is still room to grow, but we're going to continue to see some impacts. Whether or not we start to see levels like 2017, we'll only know in the coming weeks.
Water is brimming pretty much all around us right now, compared to the disaster happening elsewhere in the province. Toronto and GTA shores are holding up for now.
It's important for people to understand that beaches do fluctuate. That is part of their nature.
Experts say it's not so bad that we have to relieve pressure at the dams, plus doing so would make it worse for others downstream.
We can't control the inflows into Lake Ontario. They're totally unregulated, and the Lake Erie is record right now. Lake Superior is close to record. We are at the mercy of Mother Nature when it comes to the inflows that are received into Lake Ontario, unfortunately.
Sandbags are back out at the island, seeping through in some spots. The Conservation Authority says that the island is at least better equipped to stay dry this time.
Measures like berms on Toronto Island, some of the sump pumps that were put in there so that we can more effectively drain the islands if we start to see higher water levels, as well as some of them are risk assessment type studies that have been done and mapping that's been produced to support our municipal partners in the response phase.
Right now, we're about 40 centimeters below where the water line was this time 2 years ago. Whether we get back to those flood levels will depend on the weather, and so far the wind and the rain is not a really helpful combo. Ali Chiasson, CBC News, Toronto.